Monday, October 25th, 07:18 a.m. New York time. Good morning. It's the last Monday of the month of October. Yep, the ending of the first month for the last quarter of the year. I know you're not focused on this. You got a lot going on. It's Monday morning. You want to get out of the house, get to go where you need to be on time. So I'll keep this fast, short. Look at the U.S. equity indexes first from overnight since Sunday night futures open. Look at the 4-hour candles and see what the price action is. Let's zoom in. From here, these 4 candles on the right, these represent since Sunday evening. So look, we're still inside the range from Friday for the S&P 500. And since Sunday night open, we've made higher highs, higher lows. And this current candle will finish at 9 a.m. New York time. So right now, we haven't taken out the high or low, like I'm saying, from Friday. That's indecision. And we'll see what happens at the end of the day. Nasdaq 100, same thing. Each candle is 4 hours. Look at that. These current 4-hour candle bars do not take out the above or below the overnight. That's a conspiracy. Yeah. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average. These last 4 candles as well inside the range from Friday. And notice the first 2 were up on strength, and the last 2 are in the balance area. Look at the Russell 2000. Yep, same thing, up on strength. But look, this actually made a lower low, lower high. It's not done yet, the current candle. And it'll be done at 9 a.m. So let's zoom in all 4. Let's look again. Let's stand. So the current candle, the last one on the right, did take out the low of the prior one for the S&P 500. The Nasdaq 100, look, it's a yellow one. It's inside the range. Dow 30 inside the range. And the Russell 2000 took out the low. So that's some clue. There's some selling going on. We may not even take out the highs of Friday, the end of today. So that's what's going on with the U.S. equity futures overnight. Let's look at currencies, the major currencies. And we're actually look at them through the FX exchange, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Again, the current 4-hour candles on the far right represent overnight. We're looking at the euro, the largest weighted average currency in the US dollar. Wow. First 2 candles made higher highs, higher lows, and since then reversed. Now we're trading below the overnight with the euro. That's giving strength to the US dollar. And we're testing the lows from Friday. Second largest currency in the US dollar is the Japanese yen. Wow. Right off the bat, opened up Sunday night, sold off, giving strength to US dollar. And most of this, look at this balance area, these current 3 ones. We didn't take out the low of Friday, nor did we take out the high of Friday. So we're inside the range of Friday with the Japanese yen and the British pound, the 3rd largest currency in the US dollar. We're still inside the range for Friday. But overnight, wow, what a reverse. First 2 candles met higher highs, higher lows, and then reversed. And now this current candle is trading inside the range of the last 4-hour bar. Huge till. See what happens come that close of that at the 9 a.m. Going into the bond, the bond and the commodities. So we'll first look at the US dollar index. Wow, overnight interest on that one. Okay, so the first 4-hour candle that opened up red, and the next one lower low, lower high, testing this big round number, 93.50 US dollar index. 3rd candle overnight, the inside candle, the yellow one, also saying test 93.50. So now that's been acting as a demand zone. And if you look back earlier the week, right here, that was tested there, and that day tested it. So 93.50 on the US dollar index currently is acting as a demand zone where buyers stepped in. And the current candle already took out the high of overnight, and looks like it took out the high of Friday during the primary market hour. So we're coming into the swing high here. And I shared with my patrons what I'm looking to possibly happen at these swing highs. Let's go and look at Treasuries, the 30-year Treasury, the bond. Wow, look at these inside candles. A lot of indecision. So we're inside the range of Friday, and Friday had a big move. Yep. So look at that. Current candles, the first two overnight, and then red testing 158, refusing to close below it, rejected it. Still lower lows, lower highs currently going on. Let's go look at the commodities now. Crude oil, wow, all-time new high overnight. Not the all-time record new high, but new high for the year. Here we go, 84.76, and it's in acceleration phase. So here's the first candle. Here's the first 4-hour candle opened overnight. Since they made higher highs in acceleration phase. A lot of that has to do with the weakness in US dollar. Gold. That's interesting. Okay, there we go. Higher highs, higher lows for the most part. And now it's an acceleration phase. US dollar instead gold. We're still inside the range from Friday. Tight trading range in gold. And above that big round number, 1800. So looking at the dollar off the bat, see this huge move up? One would expect a pullback in the commodities. It did not happen. So that's, again, showing strength in the commodities as of right now.